Hello everyone, I am back. I'm back to show you the more birds found near my home. This is a rufous tree pie. It is brown in color. It has beautiful feathers. This is a potted munia. It is a friendly bird. It will every time it builds a nest in the balcony. Now it's so friendly bird. I go near, it will not fly away. This is a cat. This is the cattle egret and a Daman pond heron. Looks like they're having a friendly chat, isn't it? This is the black hooded oriole. Every day it visits our balcony to snap some nightshade berries. Looks like it really likes the berries. Look, look, who's peeking from his house? He's so cute with his big eyes. This is a potted owlet. This is a common hoopoe. It is popular for its crown feathers. Bye. Bye bye. See you. Uh, see you in the next video. Bye bye.